In the final minutes of sunlight, among this troop of rhesus macaque monkeys is a whirlwind of social activity. Macaque monkeys live in large, noisy groups, sometimes in the hundreds. While some engage in an evening grooming, others enjoy a snack. Adolescents play in the trees with their friends, practicing their climbing skills. Many of these behaviors closely resemble those of our own human social groups. As one of the most intelligent and interesting animals on planet Earth, today we celebrate International Monkey Day.